My name is Tommy Snyder. I was born in Palaca, but I've lived all over Florida. Tallahassee, St. Augustine, Palm Coast, yeah. I had a friend who did the program, and she loved it a lot, went on to do acupuncture and such. She said while she was here, all she could think was how much I would love it and what this could do for me. And I mean, after being here, she was absolutely right. This place has done a world of good for me. I mean, even beyond the career prospects. I had used a lot of philosophy to cope with a lot of personal depression over the years, and stoicism did a lot of good for me, but it was more like living around my issues and not as healthy as I could have been. This place sort of fosters an openness, and I feel like I'm a lot more able to express myself and stuff now. It's fantastic. I leaned into that stoic bit of me so much, and it almost became overwhelming to feel a certain amount of empathy. It's such a big part of my day-to-day feelings now. It's a fundamental difference in how I am as a person. It's really awesome. When I first came, I was just starting the program. I had this idea of maybe getting on like a cruise ship or something and using this to travel the world in some way. And the more I've been in the program and after being in clinic and helping people with real problems, I think one of the most fulfilling feelings I've ever had in my life so far was helping this girl with scoliosis get rid of these knots she's had for like months, and just the relief that came over her. It felt so powerful to like foster that kind of comfort in another human. The more I go in this program, the more I care more about helping people with what I've learned than using it to travel and such. I want to really help people in any way I can. That's really great. This place has given me amazing tools for that.